yo, it's the Gemini Trader. Charts go up, charts go down.
Hello and greetings from the Gemini Trader. This is your host Zane, and today we are going to mark our gold chart for the coming week. Well, didn't we see some great moves on gold in the previous week? We are retracing and we are preparing ourselves, for the all-time highs, another all-time highs. Okay, guys, let's get started. So since, first let me remove all these drawings. All this Okay, so this is our overall trend, our overall monthly trend. Since the previous month already ended, and previous month ended with a bullish candle. So initially, I'm going to mark the all-time highs, and also I'm going to mark if the candle flips, what should be our target. So I believe this will be this is the lowest target that I'm looking for. If our monthly candle breaks this candle with the body candle close, then obviously we are looking for a further move, towards initially towards first move will be around 23 22, then the other should be around 2000s, but I really doubt it. But you never know, you can't trust the gold goes where it wants to go. All right, we just need to ensure that what we are trading safe and our plan is solid. So I'm going to mark, these two areas for now. Let's go on. Okay, it's for a monthly. I think I'm going to mark one point, and that's my monthly support. Though it's quite, it's quite far, but I just feel like I'm going to do it just in case. Okay, now let's go down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, the weekly candle turned bullish because after we made an all-time high, as we discussed in our previous week's video, I said we are looking for another all-time high. So we did made an all-time high here, then we've been retracing since then. This is our support, and I'm just going to mark. I'm not gonna. I think I'm gonna let it be like that. No, I think I'm gonna mark this zone actually. The reason I want to mark this zone is because we have a resistance formed here, and then the candle got rejected here. And normally, when the candles get rejected from the area, that turns out to be a very strong zone in my experience. So I'm gonna let it be like that, and I'm going to mark one resistance here. Okay, and then we're gonna go down to our daily time frame, and let's try to enlarge the candles. All right, I'm just going to adjust those candles. I'm going to mark the zone and just try to squeeze the trade, out of a trading range as much as possible, just to ensure that we have accurate levels in the down time frame. But obviously, we'll be adjusting those as well. This is our daily resistance. Okay, and as you all agree, and I'm going to further adjust this a little. Okay, and yeah, I'm going to mark this support on a daily time frame. The reason why I want to mark this support is because, as you can see, this big red candle, it came down to this level and got rejected, and then came all the way back up, and same scenario is here. So since what happened on last Friday, as we all know, as I also shared on my um, on the US 30 video, and I'll be sharing my quick, like, 5 minutes or 10 minutes take on the whole event at my other channel, Gemini Traders Update. Feel free to watch it and see how it's going to impact the market. So yeah, long story short, the price rejected at the same level, so we are looking to open with a gap, and if we close below, we have a really clean range. So we can easily take about 50 20 50 to 100 pips out, and in it, but obviously always trail your losses, especially that's what I will do, because this goal and my bias is always, when I stick to a bias, I never change it. Yeah, so let's go down to 4 hour time frame and see how the candles are printing. Okay, that is really interesting. So as you can see, the price got rejected here, from which level? From this level, yeah. But if you're going to mark this zone, this is also the rejection zone where the price initially got rejected. So I'm going to mark this zone, and I'm going to mark another zone, by the way. Okay, I'm going to mark, yeah, I'm going to mark this one, and I'm going to mark one more. I'm going to mark these. Why? You might be wondering why. Because I have clean ranges here. If the market is going to retrace, I am looking for a clean range. When the market is dumping and I miss the move, I don't panic. The reason why I don't panic is because now I have clean candles. Whenever the market is going to settle down, I have A++ setups to take the trades, because now I know in that range, I won't find any resistance from the opposite candle. For example, if I capitalize that move, but just for example, let's say I didn't capitalize the move, I'm not gonna panic. I'm gonna wait for the candle to, finish printing. And once they finish, then I'm going to wait for a market structure, and then I'll enter. So right now, I'm just gonna let it be like that, and we go to the 2 hours time frame. And okay, all right, this is very interesting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark this zone because of a couple of rejections here. Yeah, okay, this looks solid. Yeah, this looks solid. We've got rejection, rejection, support, rejection here. Uh, I think I'm going to mark this zone as well. Yeah, let's see the range, whether it's worth it or not. Oh yeah, 100%. 100 pips, sure, 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 sure. Okay, let's go down to 1 hour time frame, and 1 hour, it looks beautiful. This looks absolutely perfect, mate. That looks absolutely perfect. Just going to adjust these candles a little. Yeah, it looks solid. This looks solid. Yeah, this looks solid. Okay. Um, I'm going to mark this on right away. Yeah, this is a clean candle that I have over here, my friend. And I'm going to adjust this here. Okay, all right, let's go down to 30 minutes time frame. And okay, this is pretty much it. Going to mark our support here. I'm going to mark one more zone, by the way. This. I hope you understand why this, because of this resistance. And yep, 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 yep. Okay, I'm going to mark this zone. Yeah, I think I should. Yep. And one more. Yes. Okay, lovely. All right, now we talk about our trading plan. Okay, so we were creating low lows, and over here we create a low high. My bad, my bad. High low. We were creating a lower low. Now we created a high low, which means we are changed in the trend. First of all, I'm expecting the market might open with a gap. And as always, I will not be trading in the Asian session. So my rule of thumb is during every first day of the week and the first day of the month, be very cautious. Only take setup which is like 110% A plus setup. Otherwise, don't trade at all. Because sometimes no trade is a good trade. Yeah, I hope you'll all agree. It's better to not to lose money than to stay with your original capital. So what I'll be looking at is I'll be looking for buys. I'll be looking because we have a clean range here. I'll be looking for some retracement, create a support, and then I'll go for buys. All right. And my target levels will be 20, 50, and 100 pips. 20, 50, 80, and 100 pips. And then if the market open with a gap, with a really big gap, Then what I'll do, I'll again look for support, yeah, and some retracement, and then again 20, 40, 20, 50, 80, 100, and 150. That's what I'll be looking for, 100 pips. But we've been talking about 20, 50, 80, 100, we're talking about pips, all right? And for in a bearish scenario, if we opened with a gap, this support needs to, we need to break this support, create a resistance, and then look for these levels. Okay, and if you lose a move, don't panic. There is no point in panicking. Whenever you lose a move, what you'll do, you wait for some retracement. Okay, let's say from here you lose a move, wait some retracement, create a resistance, then go for target. I will always advise you to open like just target 1 to 2% risk. Use 1 to 2% risk and open multiple positions. Like if you can, um, if you are planning to put a risk of, like, let's say $500, I would say do not open multiple positions with one standard lot. Instead, open small lot sizes with different take profits, or you close take or manually take partials if you like. So yeah, this will be my weekly buys, and this will be my weekly plan for the coming week. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. If you find any value in the content, please like and subscribe. This will help me to post more videos. And if you want me to mark charts on more regular basis, let me know in the comments, and we shall see what can be done. All right, stay safe, guys, and be careful when you're trading. Don't overtrade. Don't revenge trade. If you lose 2 trades in a day, there's no point in taking the revenge from the market. Just get the hell out, do something more meaningful, and come back the very next day. Take care of yourself. I'll see you guys next week.
Yeah, it's subscribe now, don't be late. Gemini Trader dropping knowledge straight.